Hello students, welcome back to the fourth video of chapter number 4 History. Today we are going to study about administration under Mughal Empire. Who are Mansabdars, Zamindars and Subedars? All in detail we will try to understand. Mansabdari system, okay, and who are Mansabdars, the different functions of it. So all in detail we will try to understand. Who were Mansabdars? Those who joined Mughal service were enrolled as Mansabdars. Okay, the ones who joined the Mughal service, they were counted or they were enrolled as the Mansabdar. The term Mansabdar refers to an individual who holds a Mansab. Mansab means a position or a rank. Okay, the term Mansabdar means an individual who holds a Mansab, and Mansab is what? It's a type of a position or a rank which is given in the Mughal time period for the Mansabdars. Mansab were appointed from diverse background. It was not like that from one background only people were selected. No, it was from various diverse backgrounds. You had people who used to become the Mansabs. Turkish, Irani, Afghan, Rajputs, Maratha, etc. So these are the different people from whom the Mansabdars were selected. Mansabdari system. It was a grading system used by the Mughals to fix a rank for the Mansabdar. Salary, military responsibility was being assigned to them. Rank and salary were determined by a numerical value. Okay, ranks and salary. Okay, ranks and salary was decided based on the value. Okay, numerical value, that is Zat. The higher the Zat, the higher noble's position and salary. More the position, more the ranking, you get more the value. Okay, the salary is increased. Nobles with a Zat of 5,000 were ranked higher than those of 1,000. So 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So 5,000 if you are, then you are counted as more than 1,000. Okay, so your number is higher. Every civil and military officer was given a Mansab. In Akbar's reign, there were 29 Mansabdars with a rank of 5,000 Zat. Okay, in Akbar's time period, there were 29 Mansabdars who hold a rank of 5,000 Zat. Okay, it's a higher position the nobles had received with the higher salary which was given during the time period of Akbar. Now we'll look into the functions of Mansabdars. The Mansabdars were required to maintain a specific number of Sawar or cavalry men. They had to keep a certain number of cavalry men and the Sawars for the military to increase the military strength of the ruler. Cavalry men were registered and horses were branded. All the cavalry men, the ones who are the Ghode Sawar, okay, the ones who used to take care of the horses, okay, the cavalry men, they were supposed to be, their name was supposed to be registered, their photo was to be drawn and all, and the horses which were selected were branded horses. Mansabdars received their salaries as revenue. Okay, Mansabdars got their salaries from the revenue assignment, not land itself called Jagir. They were not the owners of Jagir. They had right to collect revenue for Jagir. The land which is given, that is not counted for them, but the land where they are living, they can get the revenue from that place. So that becomes a salary for them. Mansabdar did not reside or administer their Jagir. They served in some other part of the country. Mansabdars did not stay in that particular Jagir, but they stayed somewhere else. So they were never looking after the land. It is mentioned over here in the second point. They never looked after the Jagir, but they used to collect the revenue because it was granted. As you hold a rank, you will be granted the Jagir. So you can collect the tax, the people who are staying in, you can collect the tax from them. These Jagirs were carefully assessed so that the revenues were roughly equal to the salary of the Mansabdar. So the tax which was collected, which was equal to the amount of salary a Mansabdar should get. Okay, this is how the functions of Mansabdar is there. Okay, and this is how the salary is decided of a Mansabdar. Hope children you all have understood with this topic. We will meet in the next topic. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.